I'm in my sister's room. There's a snowstorm. I love it. Look at all the snow. You see all that? All that snow. Look at the road. Wait, is this zoom in?
That was the dumb.
Okay, wait, just to get the footage. Let me zoom out. Okay, y'all guys see? Y'all see the road? Y'all see the houses? Look at the trees. If y'all don't see this, it's okay because if y'all are here in my place like Carrillo Lane, it's Carrillo Lane, you'll be able to see. Look, you see right there, those big circles, those are for our sewers, and those right there, those holes right there, like that big hole, that's where the sewer hole thingy is. Look at the trees, they're moving. This is a snowstorm. And look, there's finally light. Probably it's about to get daytime. I don't know. Everything is snowed. Look over there. Everything is snowed. Snow right there. Y'all see? If y'all are seeing some holes right there, that's some rocks. It's like, gosh, there's some getting on my glasses. There's like everything is guys, everything is snow. I cannot even see out here. I can see stuff. My glasses is not blind. I'm not blind, guys. Seriously, look at the thing right there. Everything is snowed. Look, you can't even see all the way over there. There's no cloud. How is the snow coming down, bro? It's a snowstorm. The snowstorm is a snowstorm doesn't harm, like, it doesn't like harm stuff. Like it starts into rain, and then when the temperature gets like colder and colder and colder and colder, that's when there's snow. But it doesn't. If you see snow, it doesn't just start out as snow. It has to get sticky. You're just at the 12, but you have to get to the 15. This 15 is horrible but awesome at the same time. It's getting on my glasses. I can't even see. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Did y'all hear that? That was a car. Y'all see the road? You see that little line that's going over there? Those are cars driving. But if you see like right there where my driving thingy is, that's like, where y'all know. It shows it like everywhere, guys. It's so cold. It's so cold. Look, y'all see that big hole right there? That's where those sewer thingy is. There's cars. My car is in my garage.
Did you die?
Guys, do y'all hear that?
I did not mean to die.
That's all that snow. Look it. Oh my gosh. I just want to play out, but guys, I have to stay in until like 7 o'clock. I don't want to stay in. I just want to climb out and play in the snow. But all I have to do is just stay in this little house. Just sitting and watching on the snow, not playing in the... I could just play in the snow, not looking at the snow. Because if you look at the snow, that's not going to be fun. Playing in the snow will be fun. But it's going to be cold. Guys, y'all should make a snowman. This is oh.
You say I'm gonna get mad.
There was like some hotness. Oh my god.
What the? Sorry.
Oh my gosh, it's like moving over there now. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy, guys.
Material pushing it out.
Oh my, that's not funny. I'm here with my sister. We're watching the snow now. Yeah, look at all the car lines over there. Look at the snowstorm. If y'all did, Did you fall?
I just fell and hit the bed.
That's actually
funny.
that's funny. I can tell you that. Look at all the snow. I want to play in the snow. There's rocks. I just want to play in the snow. I don't want to just stand in the snow. There's like snow right here, so I can make a snowball. So that's actually kind of fun, but it's not fun as you make a snowman. I want to make an Olaf. That's what I want to do, guys. I want to make Olaf. So, if I get a chance to go outside, I'm gonna grab some snow and make Olaf. Did you hear that? I think someone's.
The ground.
Oh my gosh! Look at the snow, guys. It's falling everywhere. It's getting into our house. But that's gonna be my wrap for today. Bye.